Are you wondering which e-commerce platform is better? Today, we're comparing Shopify and Magento to help you decide. Both Shopify and Magento are popular tools for building online stores. They allow businesses to sell products online and manage their sales, but they have some key differences. Let's start with Shopify. Shopify is a user friendly platform. It's designed for people who want to set up a store quickly. You can create a professional looking site without needing to know how to code. Shopify offers many themes and apps to enhance your store. It's great for small to medium sized businesses. Now, let's talk about Magento. Magento is a more complex platform. It's based for larger businesses with specific needs. You get a lot of customization options, but it requires technical skills. Magento is powerful, but it can be overwhelming for beginners. If you have a big catalog or unique requirements, Magento might be the right choice. So, what are the main differences? Shopify is easier to use, while Magento offers more customization. Shopify is a hosted solution, meaning you don't have to worry about servers. Magento can be self hosted, giving you more control but also more responsibility. When it comes to features, Shopify provides built in tools for SEO, marketing, and payment processing. Magento offers advanced features for inventory management and customer segmentation, but you may need to add extensions to get the most out of it. In terms of pricing, Shopify has a straightforward monthly fee. Magento can be free, but you might spend more on hosting and development. In the end, if you want a simple, quick setup, go with Shopify. If you need a powerful, customizable platform and have the resources, choose Magento. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.